Hi there, Tudor here from ecommerceplatforms.com. Welcome back to our channel where we share tips and tricks to help you grow your business online. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create your store on Squarespace in just 10 minutes. But before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss any of our upcoming tutorials. Alright, let's dive in. The first step is to sign up for a Squarespace account. Simply click on the Get Started button located in the top navigation. This will take you to an onboarding wizard where you will be asked to fill in some basic information. Take your time with this step as the information you provide will help Squarespace tailor your dashboard experience. As part of the onboarding process, you'll be also able to preview and select one of the many professionally designed store themes that Squarespace offers. Choose the one that best fits your brand and style. You'll then be asked to select your preferred method of signing up. Simply select one of the options to complete the sign-up process. Once you've signed up for Squarespace, you'll be asked to give your store a name and learn about its basic commerce features. Then you'll be taken to your Squarespace dashboard with a setup guide to follow. We'll go through these steps to create a store. Before following the setup guide on Squarespace, we highly recommend that you set up Ecommerce. This will help streamline the entire process. Fortunately, setting up Ecommerce on Squarespace is a breeze. Simply answer a few questions about your store. Then Squarespace will create another dashboard with a new setup guide that is tailored specifically to your e-commerce needs. Now that you've set up Ecommerce on Squarespace, let's add your first product. Start by giving it a catchy title and a detailed description. Squarespace also allows you to add additional information for your product right here. This is a unique feature of Squarespace that makes it stand out from other e-commerce platforms. Instead of using plain text or HTML, the platform allows you to design every aspect using a simple drag-and-drop interface. Next, it's time to add product images. Make sure that the images are of great quality and highlight the wow factor of your products. Then configure basic product details like the product price, special sales price, and inventory tracking. Adding variants is extremely easy with Squarespace. In fact, the platform provides you with a few default options to help you get started. If you wish, you can also edit these variants in bulk. Up next, Squarespace allows you to configure the shipping and fulfillment options at the product level and even at the variant level. Adding categories is also a straightforward process with Squarespace. Simply select or add a new category for your product. For better organization, you can do the same for tags too. If you'd like to, mark the product as featured or add custom product rules. Don't forget to customize the SEO and social sharing details as well. With Squarespace, you can even adjust and customize some of the checkout variables at the product level. This could include changing the button text, creating a custom checkout form, or creating a subscription for the product. Please be mindful that subscriptions require you to have customer accounts on your store. Finally, save, publish, or schedule your product to go live in your store. As you can see, with Squarespace, it's incredibly easy to create and manage your store's products. Now it's time to set up your payment gateway to collect payments from your customers. Simply pick your preferred payment gateway and connect your store. This is as easy as signing into your payment gateway's account. Now let's proceed to setting up shipping for your store. The first step is to pick a shipping option. Pick the one that works best for you. Assign it a name as well as the associated cost. Don't forget to add your shipping zones too. Similarly, you can also set up in-store pickup. Just give this option a name and key in the details for the pickup. If you wish, you can also set up a taxation address here. Before subscribing to a plan, let's quickly add the taxation rules. Click on Taxes from the sidebar menu. You'll then be required to add the tax rate. To do this, select the locations where you want to collect your taxes from. This may include the country and the state. Next, key in the tax rate and configure other tax rules. Finally, select how you want the tax prices to be displayed. Now that you're done with the Ecommerce setup guide, let's move back to Squarespace website setup. The first step here is to edit the site logo and the site title. Squarespace has done a great job of creating an intuitive website builder. Changing the site title and logo is a straightforward process. Simply upload your logo and adjust the logo height for mobile and desktop devices. You can even upload a different logo for mobile devices. Next up, it's time to manage your store pages. To add a new page, click on the plus sign and select the type of page you'd like to add. Squarespace has divided the pages into different categories, making it even easier to manage your store. To delete a page, simply click on the trash icon. You can also add member-specific pages from the member areas. Now comes the most exciting part of creating your online store, designing it. This is where you can showcase your creativity and brand personality to your customers. With Squarespace, designing your store is easy and intuitive. You can start by choosing a site style that best matches your brand. From there, you can easily customize the overall design of your site. Just play around with the site colors, fonts, and design elements. Like other e-commerce platforms, Squarespace also makes it easy to change these settings with a live preview of your store. The platform allows you to tweak even the tiniest of details for every element in your store. What's even cooler, Squarespace lets you add transition animations to each page, making your store stand out from the crowd. And don't worry if you're not a designer. Squarespace's drag-and-drop interface lets you easily arrange elements on your site without any coding knowledge. You can add or edit images, text, sections, and even blocks to create a seamless shopping experience for your customers. The vast majority of elements offered by Squarespace make designing your store a beautiful experience. So let your creativity run wild and design a store that truly represents your brand. Now that you've designed your online store, it's time to connect your domain. This is a super simple process. Just head over to the domain section and choose if you want to purchase a new domain or connect an existing one. If you're buying a new domain, enter your desired name and follow the checkout process. Similarly, if you'd like to connect an existing domain, simply enter your domain name and follow the straightforward instructions provided by Squarespace. What's more, you can even transfer your domain to Squarespace itself. The next step is to optimize your store for search engines. This is crucial to driving traffic and sales. With Squarespace, you can easily bulk edit meta tags and descriptions for all your pages. Now that you've created your online store, it's time to pick a plan. Squarespace offers different pricing plans, each with its own set of features. Take your time to review each plan and choose the one that fits your budget and requirements. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting up your online store using Squarespace. If you're looking for a platform that offers beautiful store designs and easy-to-use functionalities, Squarespace is a great choice. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one.